So guys, today we will talk about make. Using make in English, verb making or made. Number one, to create something. Shall I make some coffee? They have made a movie about her life. Butter is made from milk. Be made of something. Number two, to consist of a particular material. The ring is made of gold. Number three, to perform an action. I must make a telephone call. Someone's made a mistake. Number four, to cause something to happen or cause a particular state. He really makes me laugh. This heat makes me very tired. Make someone do something. Number five, to force someone to do something. You can't make me go. Make something happy, sad, difficult. Number six, to cause someone or something to become happy, sad, difficult. You have made me very happy. Number seven, if you make an amount of money, you earn it. He makes $30,000 pound a year. Number eight, if two or more numbers make a particular amount, that is the amount when they are added together, that makes $40 altogether. Number nine, make the bed. To make the sheets and covers on a bed tidy. Number 10, make it informal. To arrive at a place at the right time. Will we make it in time for the movie? Make it informal. Number 11, to be successful. Very few actors actually